This moment also. We thank you for your presence today. And we can thank you enough for being our partner in training young minds Guest speaker, Mr. Alexander Aguirre, sir. So our distinguished visitors and guests. So our dedicated and respected teachers, led by our officer in charge, Mama Emilia R. Harmelia. To our beloved parents, and most importantly to my fellow leaders, a blessed day and warm greetings to each and everyone. Today, I give the honor to be given the opportunity to speak on behalf of my fellow students. This moment is not only a celebration of achievement, but also a recognition of unwavering support, guidance, and inspiration that carried us through. A reflection to us completers that the journey we have taken once filled with challenges, sacrifices, and countless lessons. I stand before you today not only as an academic achiever, but as a simple learner who has faced many struggles and challenges in life. My journey was never been easy. Just like many students, I have experienced days when schoolwork seems endless, piled up assignments, demanding projects, and was sacrificed. In days when exhaustion made me doubt my own strength. Yet, despite all of this, I choose to keep going. With determination in my heart and dreams in my mind. I held the belief that every challenge has a purpose. Every mistake carries a lesson. And every hardship builds strength and character. My journey was never been easy. But because of this experience and struggles, they helped shape who I am today. On this meaningful and memorable occasion, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the people who have been part of my journey. To our honorable guest speaker, Mr. Ako, di ba stress kayo mo? At siya ikaw daw, may school year, di Facebook natin pasan mo. Ganon din kay Ma'am Marme at TY, ang aming pangalawang ina. Maraming salamat po sa inyong dedikasyon at walang sawang suporta sa amin. Kalipatan. Hindi pa nawayan ni Victoria. Kinunayan pa niya ang kayat ko. Kinunan pa niya yung ang kayat ko na pintas. Itiayos ko ito ay tamang isa lahat tayo yung kapasama itibiyag. Itibiyag kami isang estudyante. Ngayon ang moment, ititagta at siya po, kahit dati kasi saan tayo, itipinansyal, kaya saan na nalakang. Mabain na, gadumawat, di ko takang mo talagang isang revisyo yun. Ngayon, ito yung pagkakanya yung nakuwanta na pinag-urulong ako sa rek. Ito yung ibagay yung nakaanta, nagramit kayo, tiway, yung solusyon, takbo matulungan na. Kaya ko na yung ay na, proud kayo pa niya. Iti dahil naawat ka, saan na yung important data yung kanya. Ngunit ayan, kaya pala suporta yung kanya. Kaya dahil dati
of our beloved alma mater, the Liditan National High School. I pledge anew to keep her honor ever shining by aiming to do right and dignified service to our Almighty God, our country and our fellow men. I humbly pray to keep myself
from the nervous smiles to finding our own space. We learn and grow through laughter and through tears. Now moving forward, conquering our fears. Moving on, we step into the light. Leaving footprints, shining ever bright. These echoes stay, a melody so clear. Moving on, our future's growing near. Friendships we made, lessons we embrace. With open hearts, we set a hopeful pace. Teachers of wisdom, guiding us along. Now we're ready, where we all belong. Moving on, we step into the light. Leaving footprints, shining ever bright. These echoes stay, a melody so clear. Moving on, our future's drawing near. Future's drawing near. Moving on, we're strong and we are free. Our journey started for all the world to see. Friendships we Lessons we embrace with open hearts. We set a hopeful pace. Teachers of wisdom guiding us along. Now we're ready where we all belong. Oh, moving up, we step into the light. Leaving footprints shining ever bright. These echoes stay a memory so. We embrace with open hearts. We set a hopeful pace. Teachers of wisdom guiding us along. Now we're ready where we all belong. Oh, moving up, we step into the light. Leaving footprints shining ever bright. These echoes stay a melody so near. Moving up, our future's drawing near. Our future's drawing near.
Nagkakawalan na ko yun. Nakasubrate yung nakapasok. Wala kasi. Nabibigyan ko ito